Welcome back to day 3. So, it's kind of set in how much I need to do today, and I'm panicking a little bit. So, it's lunchtime, so I thought I'd stick the camera on and do a quick update. So, yeah, I've started at the back end today. Back end's pretty much done. Door still to fix, nothing too crazy. Bonnet's almost done. That was a big job. Yeah, it's more the fact that on every panel I've had to fix something. So there's a little bit through that needs primed on every single panel of this car. So I'm not sure how to tackle the priming side of things. I don't know if I mentioned before, I am still a third year apprentice for bodywork, so as much as I'm old. So yeah, I'm still getting to grips with all this stuff as well. I'm still learning. Don't tend to do full restorations in the place that I work, so yeah, it's a bit of a tall order that I've said to myself I'm going to do this in 3 days. Yeah, I'm not sure if I'm going to have to end up priming the whole thing, masking it off and do little bits of primer, which is going to take ages, and then rub it all down. So yeah, not sure how I'm going to do it. I'm just going to have to wing it and see how things go. But yeah, there's been a lot of progress today. I've been back in since about 10:30, so that's been 3 hours. And there's been a lot more than I thought I was going to get done. But I feel like the rest of the day is going to get away from me. It's only 1:30 just now, but yeah, I've still got a lot to do, and it needs to be painted and finished tonight. So yeah, wish me luck. Right, there's not been any updates today of me filming anything because I've been panicking that I've had absolutely no time. As you can see in the back, that is the car. All the bits that I need to be in primer, back out the booth, and I'm going to blast that. I need to block it, sand it, so that we're ready for actual paint. So yeah, I'll just crack back on, and next time you see me, we'll be ready to get masked up and in the booth. Polishing the car. Happy to say when I painted it, it's up there with one of the worst paint jobs I've done for being orange peely and yeah, just terrible. But there is plenty of paint there, so it's just going to make it a lot more difficult to flat it out. So it'll come up fine, but tonight is going to be loads of fun for me. So yeah, hold on, I'll turn the camera around, I'll let you see it before I start. So yeah, I'll show you the bonnet because it's easiest, but you can see the way the light shines on that, the orange peel. Like I say, plenty of paint there and it's easy fixed, but yeah, I'm just going to have to work hard at this one tonight. This will give you a quick look at stage 1. You can still see the orange peel in there. You can see it a bit better now that I've sanded it, so still needs a wee bit more, but you get the idea. Just going to do the kind of tops in the fifth. It's actually a 1500 I'm using because it's that bad because I've done such a good job. So yeah, I'll go over that again, get it smoothed out a bit more, and then it'll be a 3000 and see how it's looking. But who said it would be fun if it was easy? So yeah, I'm just going to get cracking. Probably just set up a wee time lapse and stuff and see how we get on. Welcome back. We are show day, which I'm not panicking about at all. No windscreen in, no grill on, no mouldings. Yeah, all the stuff that I've got to put on, it's still there. I've got about 5 hours till I need to get going. So yeah, it's going to be right to the wire. And if I'm honest, it needs hours of polishing still. The paint is rock hard. I painted it at the weekend and it's been sat outside, and it's been typical Scottish weather of being sunny for the week, so it's basically sat outside and baked for the week before I've managed to polish it, so it's absolutely solid. So yeah, today is going to be a rush job to get it ready for the show. I'm hoping we're going to get there. Well, we will get there, it's just whether I'm happy enough with how the paint's looking. The rest of it can get fitted up pretty quickly, I'm hoping. So yeah, I'll throw up a time lapse and start getting some stuff on. So, made it to the show. I was half an hour late, but the stars at Aberdeen Auto Fest let me in. I was meant to be here for 4, got here for 1:30 on the button. Well, 4:29, and my 4:30 was my cut-off, so made it well a minute to spare. But yeah, the car's back together, and we made it. So I'll jump outside, and that's how she stands. Got everything back together. Stuck a small bumper on off of my caddy, so it's looking cool. Yeah, only thing I actually need to do is probably about 2 days worth of flattening and polishing, but it is back together, painted, and good to go. Happy with that. So yeah, that's me, and yeah, hope you enjoyed it. That's Anthony's car behind me. We won't look at that because that's absolutely mint. But yeah, that's her done. Hope you enjoyed, and on to the next one. See you later.